Hello, excuse me. Hello, this is Mrs. Ross, and this is lesson 72. This will be the practice set video, and then I'll make another video on the starred problems. So here we go. If it'll let me, there we go. Okay. So it says Kevin rode 30 kilometers in 2 hours. At that rate, how long would it take him to ride 75 kilometers? Estimate the answer, and then use a case 1, case 2 ratio box. So we're not going to estimate the answer. We're going to use a case 1, case 2 ratio box. We're going to put kilometers in the top, hours in the bottom. Now there's several different ways you can do this. This is how they've asked us to do this, but if you have a different way, that's fine. So he rode case 2, 30 kilometers in 2 hours, and then we have 75 kilometers. It says how long, so we need to know hours, okay? So here we have 30 over 2. We have our ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. It's equal to 75 over x. We're going to cross multiply. So I have 2 times 75 equals 30 times x. So this is 150 is equal to 30 times x. And I divide. I get x is equal to 5. All right, so lesson 72 is all about case 1, case 2 ratio boxes. And then we'll do C is a little bit different. So B, we're going to need another case 1, case 2 ratio box. So let me get a different color. It says if 6 bales were needed to feed 40 head of cattle. Sorry, I'm drawing the ratio box, trying to get it right. So we have case 1, case 2. So if 6 bales and 40 head of cattle, how many bales were needed for 50 head of cattle? So we're going to have bales over cattle. We know we need 6 for 40. We don't know how many we're going to need for 50. So this is our ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. So 6 over 40 is equal to x over 50. We're going to cross multiply, so that's 40 times x equals 6 times 50, which is 40x is equal to 300. That I don't know by heart. I'm going to have to use my handy dandy calculator. 300 divided by 40, 7.5. 7.5 bales. Okay. I'm going to pause and erase this so that I can go ahead and do C. So hold on a second. Okay, I don't know what happened here. Let's see if we can get back to where we were. Okay, here we are. So to do this one, this is a little bit different because we are going to, oh, actually, no, this is a case 1, case 2, my bad. So let's do it. Case 1, case 2. Case 1, case 2. 5 is to 15 as 9 is to what number? So we just need to make sure that our numbers are where they're supposed to be. And we can do the ratio box, proportion, cross multiply. So I have 5 is to 15 as 9 is to x. We're going to cross multiply. So I have 15 times 9. Bring down my equals, and then I'm going to cross multiply 5x. Okay, I don't know what 15 times 9 is, so let me get my handy dandy calculator. 15 times 9 is 130. Where I lost it. There we go. 135. And then I'm going to divide to get rid of my 5. So my x comes down, my equals comes down. 135 divided by 5 gives me 27. Right, so these are starred problems, so I'm going to go ahead and stop here. I'm going to go back. If you want to see the starred problems, I'm going to put that in a different video. Have a great day. Let me know if you have any questions.